Today we'll be learning about statistics. Okay, so we'll be covering basics of statistics. Okay, so let's start. Now that we know that statistics helps us analyze the data in an efficient way. Okay, we can represent the data as a pie chart or even a bar graph. And statistics is also used in various survey to understand the needs of populations, for example. Also helps understand the graphics of the population. Okay. Right. And also we'll now understand what is grouped frequency distribution table, and we'll solve problem based on that. Okay, so let us start. Graphical representation, that is the data can be represented which and there are three types here, that is histogram, a frequency polygon, and OQ, that is cumulative frequency curve. Okay, so histogram is a two-dimensional graphical representation of continuous frequency distribution. Okay, in this case, rectangles are drawn with basic proportional to class intervals and heights proportional to the frequency of the respective classes. Okay, so let us see. So let us understand in a grouped frequency table, a large observation can be condensed into groups that are called classes. Okay, and each class is known as class interval. Okay, and in each of these classes, the least number is the lower limit and the greatest number is called the upper limit. Now the class size is the upper limit minus the lower limit, or also it is called as class width. Okay, now let us look at this problem. Yeah, so here an automobile service center performed the following number of car service each month. Okay, the detail which is given here, right? And we got to construct a continuous frequency distribution of the above data by taking the suitable width or the class interval which I said, and also the histogram. Okay, let us solve this problem. Okay, so the first part which we're going to write here is the class interval, okay, and the frequency. Okay, so let us see here the class interval or the width, which is 10 to 15. Okay, the frequency is 3. and 15 to 20, the frequency is 6, and from 20 to 25, the frequency is 5. Okay, and from 25 to 30, the frequency is 7. Okay, and and from 30 to 35, the frequency is 5, right? And from 35 to 40, it is 4. Okay, this is the required, that is a continuous frequency distribution, okay, from the data. And let us draw the histogram of the constructed continuous frequency distribution. Okay. Yeah, let us look into that histogram. Let us draw a scale wherein you put here as class interval and here as a frequency. Okay. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah. And it starts with 10, 15, okay, and so on. Okay, let us do that. So if you look at this, so the class interval here is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Okay, so that's it. Okay. So we have done this also.